Welcome, good morning to EFD Induction show here at the stand in the Düsseldorf Tube and Pipe Show. You see our brand new stand here, fantastic, and some demos here with the Minak heating process and a lot of customer visits. We are now into day 3 and it's been fantastic.
Two outputs, two heads. Here we have the induction coil, a ring coil where we create with electricity a strong magnetic field to heat the workpiece. This is normal carbon steel, normal magnetic steel. So within 2 seconds we have 1000 degrees. With
also
magnetic steel.
Also your hand Also your hand?
No, you see here it's still wet.
Okay, I was joking.
So it's very fast, the fastest way of heating, because we create the heat inside the workpiece. This was...
The copper?
Yes, we can also heat copper. So for example here for brazing, joining these tubes, we have the tube, we have filler material, brazing alloy. When we do brazing with copper to copper, we use silphos, silver with phosphor, so we don't need any flux material. We put it here. We have set a timer, so we know exactly what time and what power is necessary to have a good brazing. I push the button and then the process is done. Finito. That's it. Very fast, precise heating, repeatable, consistent quality.
Good.
Good afternoon, this is Mark Andrus here at the 2018 Tube Düsseldorf show. I'm here introducing the new and improved 1000 kilowatt welder. We're showing this this week to many customers as kind of the first public showing of the welder. This welder has more capacity than we've had in the past for this chassis size. We have 8 modules. And we really promote the efficiency and the automatic load matching features which are valuable to the tube producers. Another feature we talk much about with customers these days is quality monitoring and process monitoring. Everybody in every industry wants more and more quality control, and we're showing our advanced control systems, something that we've updated in the Weldac over the course of the last couple years.
So we started in 2012 when we bought 4 welding generators from EFD. After that, 2 years later, we bought another 2. And just 1 month ago, we finished an order for another 2 new welding devices from EFD. So the thing that I want to share is that EFD is there for you not only when they're selling their equipment, but they're next to you in the after-sales service, in the sales service, and the whole process is going very smoothly.